In this video, I'll guide you through how to book a last-minute hotel on Agoda. Whether you're dealing with a sudden change of plans, a missed connection, or you've decided to be spontaneous and travel on short notice, knowing how to quickly secure a room can save you time, money, and stress. I'll walk you through the entire process from opening the app or website all the way to confirming your booking so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, open Agoda on your phone, tablet, or computer. You can use either the mobile app or the website. The steps are practically the same. Once it's open, you'll see a search bar where you can type in your destination. This could be a city, a specific area within a city, or even a landmark if you want to stay nearby. Take a second to be as specific as you can, especially for last-minute stays, because availability can change quickly, and the more targeted your search, the easier it is to find something that works. Next, you'll need to choose your dates. Since we're focusing on last-minute bookings, tap on the check-in date and select today's date or a date that's very close, like tomorrow or the next couple of days. Then, set your checkout date according to how long you plan to stay. Make sure the dates are correct before moving on, because last-minute stays often have stricter change and cancellation policies. After you've entered your destination and dates, click the search button. Agoda will now scan for available properties that match what you've entered. This might take a moment, especially in busy locations, so give it a few seconds to load the results. Once the search is complete, you'll see a list of hotels and other properties you can book right away. Now, because you're booking at the last minute, you'll want to look specifically for last minute deals. These are often highlighted directly in the results with labels like special offers, discounts, or last minute savings. Sometimes you'll notice prices that are crossed out with a lower price shown next to them. That usually indicates a discount you can take advantage of. Take your time scrolling through and compare prices, locations, and ratings. Even when you're in a hurry, it's worth checking the reviews and the map view to make sure the place is convenient and well rated. Once you've found a hotel that looks like a good fit, tap or click on it to open the details page. Here, you can see photos, room types, amenities, and guest reviews. Verify that the room type matches what you need, whether that's a single room, a double, or something larger. Pay close attention to the check-in time and any notes about late check-in, since last-minute arrivals can sometimes be later in the day. When you're satisfied, choose the room you want and proceed to book. You'll be guided through entering your guest details and payment information. Before you confirm, double-check the dates, the number of guests, the total price, and the cancellation policy. If everything looks right, go ahead and confirm your booking. Agoda will process it and then show you a confirmation page, usually followed by an email or app notification with all your booking details. And that's all it takes to book a last-minute hotel on Agoda. Open the app or site, search your destination, set today's or near dates, look for last-minute deals, select your hotel, and confirm your booking.